Go to notebook.google. What I want you to do is scroll all the way back up to the top and click on that button that says Try Notebook LM. So if you're following along, the next thing you're going to see is it's going to ask you to log into your Gmail account. Now, this I will say, I have personal Gmail accounts and then I have my one business Gmail account. What I notice is when I log into my business Gmail, which is in Google Workspace, the page actually looks different. I want to find out if the business Gmail account, the workspace account, has different features than the personal Gmail account. But we're going to go in. So I do notice one thing different, and I'm going to show you what that is. But go ahead and log in using your Gmail account. And because this is for small business owners, I am recommending if you have a workspace Gmail account or a business Gmail account, use that one to log in. Okay, so now once you've logged in, what you will see, this by the way is the workspace Gmail, right? So when I log in using my workspace Gmail, I see this pink hue and this green. I didn't turn it this color. And I went into the settings option to see if there was a way to change how this looks, and there was not. So this is the workspace. So yours may or may not look like this. Again, things look different on different people's when different people log into all of this technology, right? So this is what it looks like in my business Gmail account. And as you can see, it says, welcome to Notebook LM. There are little prompts that says how to use Notebook LM. And then also you'll see all of my notebooks. So all these notebooks that you see are the ones that I created, and we're going to go into some of them so you can see what I actually created. What you're seeing on my screen now, this is when I log into my personal Gmail and use Notebook LM. And as you can see, the boxes are all gray, and then above you can see all of my notes. And what you see in the red box are example notes that Notebook LM has in the personal Gmail account, but it was not in the business Gmail account, Notebook LM. So I don't know what the difference is. I don't know if they're just testing some things as they do when new AI systems and tools come out. But this is what I see. So if you see the first one, don't worry, just use it. If you see this one, don't worry, just use it because they all function the same. There may be something different. I don't know. So again, as I mentioned, if you want to get on my email list, go ahead and scan that QR code. And then if you want to connect with me in any other way, these are the ways to connect with me.